Assalamualaikum to Dr. Noazina binti Idris, and my name is Muhammad Ammar bin Muhammad Asri. And my metric number is 420-300-5421. Today I'm going to present about industrial noise. Okay, we go to the next slide is about company background. I choose Sony company. Sony is a Japanese company and known over the world. Founded 7 May 1946, headquartered at Tokyo. Co-founder is Masaru Ibuka. Founder is Akio Morita. In 1947, company name was Tokyo Tushin Kogyo Tokyo Telecommunication Engineering Corporation. First product is first tape recorder called Type G. In 1958, company formally adopts Sony Corporation and its corporate name. Sony is the combination of two words, Sonos sound and Sony little sun. Okay, we go to the next page is Sony in Malaysia. Sony Malaysia began operation in Malaysia on 31 October 1973. The company specialized in marketing, sales and service for a wide range of consumer electronic products as well as broadcast and professional product and solution. They are in two They are in total 2 Sony store and 35 center outlet nationwide, offering consumer the latest Sony product and services. Dekat Malaysia ada dua tempat Sony. Yang pertama dekat North Plant, yang kedua dekat South Plant. Okey, location untuk North Plant dekat Lot 4 Jalan Bangi Industrial Estate, Bandar Baru Bangi, Selangor Darul Ehsan. Location untuk South Plant dekat Jalan Lot 5 Jalan Kemajuan Bangi Industrial Estate, Bandar Baru Bangi, Selangor Darul Ehsan. SOM is separated into two technology. The South Plant, which is based on visual product manufacturing, and the North Plant, which manufacture audio product. Dekat South Plant dia buat television, manakala dekat North Plant dia buat earphone atau headband. Okay, we go to the next slide is about nature of company. The first one is electronic, such as audio, video, television, information and communication. Second is Sony Computer Entertainment, such as hardware and related software. The third is Sony Music Entertainment. Sony Music Entertainment include Columbia Record, Sony Classical, Sony Disco, Sony Disc Manufacturing and Sony Music Nationwide. The fourth is Sony Music Entertainment Japan, such as Sony Record and Epic Record. The last is Sony Picture Entertainment. There are 5 Sony Picture Entertainment. The first one is motion picture, such as production, execution and distribution. The second is television, such as programming, production, execution and distribution. The third is home video, such as acquisition and distribution. The fourth is television broadcasting, and the fifth is operation of pseudo facilities. Okay, the next slide is about industrial noise. Industrial noise is often a term used in relation to environmental health and safety rather than nuisance, as sustained exposure can cause permanent hearing damage. Traditionally, industrial noise has been a hazard linked to heavy industry such as shipbuilding and associated only with noise-induced hearing loss. Hearing loss. There are a range of different types of hearing loss that can be caused from noise in the workplace, from temporary to permanent loss of hearing and conditions such as tinnitus or acoustic shock syndrome. Okay, the next slide is about the type of hearing protector. The first one is earmuff. Earmuff ni macam headband lah. Okay. The second is helmet mounted earmuff. The third is earplug. Earplug ni ada macam-macam jenis lah. Dia ada custom. Okay. The next slide is effect of noise performance. The first one is speech intelligibility. Speech intelligibility is the ability to understand spoken words, the presence of noise interference with the understanding of what other people say. This include face-to-face talks, telephone conversation, and speech over a public address system. Contohnya macam bila kita nak bercakap dengan kawan ataupun orang sekeliling kita, bila berlakunya industrial noise ni, noise pollution, kita kurang dengar apa yang orang tu cakap. Okay, yang kedua adalah annoyance. A noise is annoying. In noisy environment, people generally prefer to reduce the noise, loudness, avoid it, or leave the noisy area if possible. The same noise could be annoying to some people but acceptable to others. There is no definite relationship between the degree of annoyance of unpleasantness of noise and the risk of adverse health effect. For example, very loud music may be pleasant to one group of people and annoying to another group. Both groups will be equally at risk of hearing loss. Okay, the third is job interference. Depending on the type of activity, noise can severely affect efficiency of a task performance. The following example will illustrate this point. There are three examples. The first one is a conversation nearby will distract people and affect their concentration, hence reducing the employees' efficiency. The second is a noisy environment could create an additional hazard since audible alarm might not be heard. A third is a noisy environment interference with oral communication and thus interference with the activity. Okay, the next slide is example of the noisy equipment. Okay, yang paling atas ni adalah dia punya level noise yang paling tinggi, iaitu gunshot, diikuti dengan jackhammer, chainsaw, tractor, backhoe, dan last sekali yang paling rendah adalah lawn mower. Okay, kita pergi kepada slide seterusnya. Type of industrial noise in Sony. Ini adalah type yang berlaku dalam Sony company. The first one is wrapping, cutting wrap and bagging. Milling operation. The third is wheel, trolley or rack. And the lastly is a packaging machinery. Okay, we go to the next slide is the action taken in Sony company. Ini adalah langkah-langkah dia. Yang pertama adalah when purchasing machinery or plant, obtain noise data from the supplier to inform your decision. The noise level should be relevant to where worker will actually be. Okay, the second one is move noisy machinery or plant into area where there are no workers or few workers. The third is when noise level still exceed 85 decibel, ensure worker wear hearing protection, earplug or earmuff within the designated and clearly marked zone. Okay, the lastly is make sure there is a proper and regular maintenance of machinery and equipment that takes account of noise. Okay, the last slide is the conclusion. Occupational noise exposure and hearing impairment have adverse effect on the work safety and can increase the probability of work-related injuries. This means reducing noise exposed can contribute to increased safety in workplace where noise is affected. Furthermore, using assistive listening device may reduce risk of work injuries among impaired workers. Okay, that's all. Thank you.